You all know this game. Everyone knows this game. You play it at parties, you play it at weddings, you play it with kids. What game would be? A game with chairs.
Musical chairs.
Musical chairs. Now, musical chairs in itself is just, it's a fun game, but how to adapt it to our ESL classrooms? First of all, sometimes we just don't have chairs, so what can we do? Well, let's use sheets of paper. Instead of sitting on the chair, you have to stand on the piece of paper. That's it. And second thing, instead of playing music and stopping it, why don't we use something that we all know? We've just learned a song. A sailor went to sea. So we're just all gonna sing that, and the master of the game, that'll be me, will say stop. Okay? Ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let's stand up. So of course we're gonna go around this, and we're going counterclockwise like this, and we're singing. 1, 2, 3, 4. A sailor went to sea, to see what she could see. Stop! I'm the one who said stop. I was like, I'm so ready. So, clearly we only have 3 contestants left. Of course, you remove a paper. And you have to go really around the papers like this. And 1, 2, 3, go. A sailor went to sea, to see what she could see. But all that she could see was the bottom. Stop! Oh, bye, Sheila. Everyone say bye, Sheila. It's gone. Oh, so sorry. So, there can be only one. Only one winner. Who will it be? Will it be Amélie? Will it be Noémie? We don't know. We do not know. Can I remove this, please? Thank you. Only one. You have to be, I think, let's say you have to be at least this far away from the paper. You cannot be too close, okay? I want to see 2 feet on the papers, not one, okay? And we sing together. We all sing together. 1, 2, 3. A sailor went to sea, to see what she could see. But all that's up. Oh! Victory is yours. So that's an example of a very famous, very fun game that you can adapt to your ESL classroom and make sure that the kids are speaking. Sometimes. Okay, I don't know, you want to learn Rudolph the Reindeer by heart because you're going to sing it in front of parents. Well, after the 5th time you're singing it, everyone gets bored. You also get bored. I know that. I know teachers get bored too. That's a fun way to just, repeat things and sing things and have fun. Bye everyone. Bye.